In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and format the rows for your analytics reports. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your reports enterprise or location selected, then choose Reports. Go to your new top menu bar and select Analytics. In the left-hand column, choose the analytics report you would like to edit. I'm going to stick with this first one. Next, scroll down, and now I can see the different rows I already have in place. If I want to add a new row, I can click Add. I'm going to call this one Part-Time. In the function, I'm going to put the label from one of my data sources. And I'm just going to say P-time. I just want to see the information for my part-time employees. Next, I'll label this row. I'm going to call it P-time 2. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this row, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that row has been added. If I scroll up, notice how I have 3 data sources, 1 schedule, and 2 times. In my rows, I currently have leave, but I'm no longer pulling from that data source, so I'm going to delete that row. I'll click on Leave, and then I'm going to choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this row. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to select OK. And now that row has been deleted. To edit the parameters for your rows, click on a row. I'll choose this one, then scroll down. Using the arrows to the right, you can change the position of your rows. So I'll go ahead and put this all the way down, we'll say at the bottom. I could also adjust the title. I could change the function. I could change the label, and I can change the format. Under Format, let's say that I want to see this information to only 1 decimal place. So under Format, I'm going to put 0.0. If I want this row to be visible, I do need to leave the visible box checked. I can do the same thing for my other rows. Under Scheduled, I could change any of the same information. Let's say I want this in the 3rd place. So I'll move it down 2, and I will do the same format. If you're happy with your changes to your analytics report, scroll back up to the top, and in the right-hand corner, choose Save. A green save bar will appear at the top of your screen, letting you know when this page was last saved. To view your edited analytics report, click View. And now I can see that information. Notice in the left-hand column, the order of the names of the rows is the order I just selected. Also notice all of the numbers only go to the 1st decimal point. That's how you can edit and format your analytics rows in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWorks 5 account.